Browsing for the best Nvidia graphics card for gaming in 2024? Then you're in the right place. Graphics cards are the beating heart of any gaming setup, enabling you to experience your favorite games in all their visual glory. Today we have a treat for you. We're going to unravel the top 5 Nvidia graphics cards of 2024 that promise to ramp up your gaming experience to a whole new level. So brace yourself as we dive deep into the world of graphic cards. Starting off our list is the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4090. This beast of a graphics card is known for its unmatched performance, delivering breathtaking visuals in the most demanding games. Its advanced ray tracing capabilities bring games to life, immersing you in hyper-realistic environments. It also boasts an impressive cooling system and power efficiency. In terms of price, it's a premium option, but for gamers craving the ultimate experience, it's a worthy investment. A powerhouse indeed, the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4090 sets the bar high. Next up on our list is the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4080 Ti. This powerhouse of a graphics card boasts a robust performance, designed to handle even the most demanding games of 2024. With its advanced ray tracing capabilities and AI-driven DLSS technology, it's built to deliver ultra-realistic graphics and smooth gameplay. What's more, it offers this high-level performance at a price point that's accessible to many. For gamers seeking a balance between performance and cost, the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4080 Ti delivers. As we move forward, let's explore the next 3 graphics cards on our list. Firstly, we have the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070. This card is a powerhouse, boasting top-tier ray tracing capabilities and fantastic 4K gaming performance. It's a perfect fit for those who want to experience games at their most visually stunning. Next up is the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060 Ti. This model offers a solid performance for its price, offering high frame rates and detailed graphics. It's ideal for gamers who want a balance between cost and quality. Lastly, we have the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4050. Don't let its position on this list fool you. This card is still a strong contender. It offers a smooth gaming experience at 1080p and 1440p resolutions, making it a great entry-level choice for gamers on a budget. Whether you're a casual gamer or a professional, these 3 graphics cards cater to a wide range of needs. And there you have it, the top 5 Nvidia graphics cards for gaming in 2024. From the power-packed performance of Card 1 to the budget-friendly efficiency of Card 2 and the advanced features of Cards 3, 4, and 5, we've walked through a range of options. Each card has its strengths, so it's about finding what best suits your gaming desires. Remember, the best graphics card for you is one that ticks all your boxes, be it performance, cost, or gaming experience. Game on!